Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to enable lift to wake in your phone Samsung. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to advanced features, and here select motions and gestures, and here turn on the button against lift to wake. Now if you lift your phone screen will be wake up in case your phone screen is off. Now my phone screen is off, and I lift my phone screen like this. See here, it is waked up. Again I am doing. My phone screen is off, and I lift my phone. Yes. So in this way you can easily enable lift to wake the screen in your phone Samsung. This will be applicable to all Samsung phones. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.